This video will show you how to replace, inspect, and install the muffler on your Cat UTV. Do not perform any lubrication, maintenance, or repair on Cat equipment until you have read and understand the operation and maintenance manual for the product. Information in the video complements, but does not replace the detailed safety information featured in Cat operation and maintenance manuals and service manuals. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Shown here are the tools required for that task. Using a 13mm socket and a 10mm wrench, remove the 3 cap screws and lock nuts at the muffler exhaust pipe junction. Discard lock nuts, inspect cap screws, and replace if damaged. Lift the muffler assembly upward to clear the 3 holders underneath the muffler assembly. Inspect the muffler externally for cracks, holes, and dents. Inspect the muffler internally by shaking the muffler back and forth and listening for rattles or loose debris inside the muffler. Lace the muffler onto the 3 holders and push into position. With a new gasket installed, secure the muffler to the exhaust pipe with the 3 cap screws and new lock nuts. Tighten to 16 pound-feet. This concludes the video on how to replace, inspect, and install the muffler on your Cat UTV. For more information, check out your operation and maintenance manual or contact your local participating Cat UTV dealer.